In this video, I just want to show you the basics of how to utilize this Greek minimal pairs deck to learn the phonology of Greek according to the reconstructed Koine pronunciation scheme. So once you have downloaded the deck and imported it into your Anki program, it's really quite simple, and I'll show you how it works. So a minimal pair are two words that are spelled essentially the same with just one minor difference. What this allows us to do is to test the differences to come to understand what letters make what sorts of sounds, and it's really quite simple.
Krasin.
You hear the word pronounced.
Krasin.
You see which one it is, sfazin or krasin. So that tells you the difference between these two consonant cluster sounds.
Ekon. Ekon.
Again, two similar looking words. This emphasizes the difference between the consonant k and the consonant x.
Thýra. Thýra.
And you hear it, and here we're looking at the vowel difference between ypsilon, thýra, and eta, thera. So again, you see this go through the whole deck this way, and working through this whole deck, you'll learn all of the different phonetic distinctions and the letters that they map onto, or the letter groups that they map onto. And this will allow you to learn how to pronounce any Greek word that you see, any Koine Greek word that you see, and to do so in a way that you can be confident about what you're saying. So that's how this deck works, and I hope you can find it useful in learning to master the phonetics of Koine Greek.